In this video, we're going to talk about inserting links in your WordPress post. So as you can see right here, the post contains words, no links, just plain words or plain text. Here's what you need to do to insert a link. First, highlight the word or words that you want to use for the link. Next, click on this icon right here that says Insert Edit Link. This icon or button has the picture of a chain. Click on it. You'll be on the pop-up box that says Insert Edit Link. Type in or paste the web address. You can also have the option to open the link in a new tab or window. So putting a check mark enables that option. Once you're done, just click on the Add Link, and there you have it. The words that you've highlighted before that you use for the link is now a hyperlink or a link. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.